Welcome back to Tri-State Tech Videos. My name is Jerry, and today we're going to show you how to install MediCat on a USB from a Windows operating system on your home or work PC. The first step is to download MediCat from their homepage at https://medicatsb.com/#downloads. Depending on which way you wish to install it, you can use either the installer batch file program or do it manually. I strongly suggest you use the installer as it is much easier, and that is what we are going to cover for now. You can download it from https://www.medicat.com. Once you're on the download page, under the installer section, click the Windows download button. That will give you the batch file that you will run. It will open up and prompt you every step of the way. The only other thing I want to cover in this video is the requirements for the USB. It is strongly recommended that you use USB 3.0 or above and an SSD drive if you're going to use this as a professional repair tool. However, if you are going to just use it for home diagnostics and general screwing around, you can use anything you want regardless of how fast it goes. It's just going to take a lot longer. We also strongly recommend using at least a 64 gig or 128 gig drive so that you can add a few operating systems to the MediCat system once you get it set up to help you with your future diagnostics. So that's it for today's episode of Tri-State Computer Tips. You've just taken the first big step in mastering MediCat USB. In our next lesson, we will be exploring the different tools included in MediCat, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you found this video to be helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell also so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.